Turning now to the latest on the coronavirus pandemic, a major step in the fight against COVID-19 after the FDA gave full approval to Pfizer's vaccine.
This as doctors plea for pregnant women to get their dose amid a rise in cases. Local 10's Christina Vasquez joins us live. She's in Miami with the latest on this. Christina.
Well, during this variant-fueled case surge, you may remember how in recent weeks hospital officials have said that the majority of COVID-19 patients in their care are unvaccinated and how the demographics were skewing younger. We're talking ages between 20 and 40. Well, today we are hearing from hospital officials about their mounting concern that within that younger demographic are a rising number of unvaccinated pregnant women. In fact, where I'm joining you live, which is Jackson Memorial Hospital, they currently have 6 pregnant women in the ICU. Now, if you've ever been pregnant or if you've ever been around an expecting mom, you will know that your breathing can be a little laborious, right, as you get toward the end of the term. So you add that with being unvaccinated and catching COVID-19, especially the Delta variant, that puts extra strain on the lungs, they were explaining. So we are talking about right now in South Florida, women who are expecting a baby in the ICU needing ventilator and oxygen support to not only help them with their breathing and oxygen, but again, to ensure that the baby survives and that the baby within the womb is getting enough oxygen to survive. Unfortunately, so sadly, both Broward Health and Jackson said they recently had a maternal death. So that means there are 2 children right now in our community that will never ever have a chance to meet their mother. And so this is why they're putting out this call to action today. Let's go ahead and listen in together.
And all pregnant women should get vaccinated because we don't want women to die. We recently had a maternal death. This baby will never know his mother, and this woman never saw her child. And that's so sad, and it should never happen.
We've had, sadly, also one maternal death as well. For these vaccines, they're not changing your genetic makeup or anything. They're just very elegantly being able to allow your body to produce the antibodies that are going to protect you and save you from dying or getting extremely sick from COVID.
And they add protect your baby as well. In fact, here at Jackson Health, they also have some newborns that have tested positive for COVID-19. Meantime, right now underway is the COVID-19 response team news conference that's happening out of the White House, and the CDC director just presented some brand new data. She said it covers from January to July that found that the vaccination rate for those who are unvaccinated with COVID-19 in the hospital is 17 times greater than those who are fully vaccinated. She says the data is there, the numbers are there, from the federal level down to the county level to our public hospitals. The recommendation remains the same. They're urging you to get vaccinated. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.